What's poppin', beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. Congratulations on this beautiful holiday. I hope none of you guys are working and getting paid time off on my birthday. A Rio player just turned 36 today, and I have negative news for you in this video, but it's going to end with positive news, giving you guys some action steps, game plans of what's going on. So crypto has been doing good for a while, last few weeks. We've been finally being able to see profits, have good rallies going on, but with good upsides, you have downsides. Now, we don't know if this is true or not, but on the date of the 1st is the Federal Reserve meeting, Jerome Powell, all that type of stuff. He get to make the market go up or down to see if we're going to have a rally or we're going to have a crash. It's usually nothing in between. We shall see. But let's see what the smart people are saying. You have Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, looking old. He said, "We are in a global recession. Bitcoin is priceless." Kiyosaki believed that the current state of the global economy is worse than a Great Depression that hit in the U.S. in the early 30s of the last century. The investor reckons that the world has entered a state of a global recession and a rough landing for the world is coming. He mentioned a wave of bankruptcies. Companies laying off their staffs, what we've been seeing every single day, including those in the crypto space. What kind of makes sense a little bit is like, all right, we seeing rallies, we seeing good stuff, but all we seeing is company after company lay off employees after employees after employees. Everybody keep on downsizing. That Robert Kiyosaki referred to as bad news. However, he pointed out there's still good news. Bargains everywhere. Silver and gold is getting cheaper and Bitcoin is priceless, he stressed in a tweet. So he talked about that in a tweet. He been buying Bitcoin and stuff. Now, here go another market strategist, warned of blood on February 1st ahead of the Fed meeting. Stocks, precious metals, and cryptocurrencies rallied during the first month of the year. The market strategists are saying that markets could retract in the near future if the U.S. Fed Reserve keep hiking rates and maintaining a broader tightening policy. Now, Jerome Powell said he's going to keep on raising rates. That's what he said. So, more than likely, that's going to happen. And 2 days now, February 1st, FOMC meeting is set to convey. While the market expect rate cuts, some analysts think that Feds will continue to raise the federal fund rate. Chris Vermeulen, the founder of the chief investment officer of the Technical Trader, insists so and so. He insists that everything could slide 37% more than what we're currently at right here. So I pulled up the video. It's only like 1 minute that I will show you. You can watch the full thing on Kito News, but this at the 10-minute mark.
Percent is not a small number for the largest index in American capital markets, Chris. My question is, how much further can we go before this is all over?
Yeah, I mean, I honestly think this, like the SP 500 from where we are right now, could fall another potential 37% roughly. I mean, that is
from
a
current
big
levels,
decline
from here,
from the current levels. So we'd be down like 40 and change. That is enough that creates a lot of damage, a lot of stress, lots of bankruptcies, you name it. I mean, that is going to be another standout event that resets the financial markets, like we saw from the 2000 market top and the 2008. So there's a lot of potential downside, and people just need to be aware that this is a very delicate situation. And the problem is most people turn a blind eye to the market when it goes down like this. 20% is literally just the topping phase, and then when it breaks down is when these big sell-offs go, margin calls take place. So, yeah.
I guess maybe this is human psychology.
So, if he's saying we might go down additional 20%, let's go to the Dow. I mean, and 37, so if we just say 40%. So, if we are right here at 33,000, going down 50%, would be nasty. At like 17,000. It's like right around, we'll just say 18,000. Let's be nice. Right about right here. So we will have to crash past to right. Basically, we'd just say we'd crash back to pandemic levels when we had that crazy crash. Can it go down that? Bless you. Can it go down that much further? We shall see. I don't honestly think it is going to go down that much worse, but we've been seeing all negative signs and no positive news that's really given us hope, besides things have been going up for the past week, for the past month, for the past 3 months. 6 months, we almost breaking even, or we actually up. Technically, I think we're up. Yep. For the past 6 months. So we're not looking bad year to date. We're up. Could be a setup for everything. Now, when you come over to crypto and Bitcoin, right now, crypto as a whole is down about 2%. Since the stock market is down, that's down. That's because everybody is tightened up, wondering what's going to happen with this meeting, right? Look at this. Last day, bam, as soon as the market opened up, we're going down. We're going down. And my thing is, as a teacher, give you guys game. And I know people don't like selling or all that type of stuff, and we don't like to promote it. But what you have to do is have a game plan. So let's say if Buddy is right. Let's just say 100% what he said. 2 days from now, everything is just going to start a big ass tsunami crash. If that were to happen, you don't want to miss out on all of these gains. So say, for example, you bought in Bitcoin at 16,000 a month ago. And now we are at 23,000. So let's just say you made $5,000, you're up $5,000. If you don't sell or take any profits and it go back down here, you missed out on all of that opportunity. So what I will recommend is having a sell order in if the price hit a certain amount. So let's say you like, okay, worst case, I want to at least make $2,000 off of this run off Bitcoin. So if you bought in at 16, we like, okay, at 18, if it hit 18.5, you will have a trigger where it automatically sell at 18.5 if it hit that. We're hoping it don't, but if it do, you like, cool, I made money on this rally, and now when it go back down to 16, I can buy in some more. Then if it go down to 15, I can buy in some more. Go down to 14, I can buy in some more, because the name of the game is always to make money. Some things, yeah, you can hold forever and all that deal, but imagine the people that literally bought in on Bitcoin at $60,000, expecting it to go to 100. There's people that bought in right here, literally at 61,000. Imagine if you bought in and you seen it go to 57. You like, man, should I sell or just hold? Bam, it went to 46. Should I sell or should I hold? Let's say if you took that strategy and you're like, okay, Lando, man, I want to, or even if you could say if you bought in at, let's say you bought in at 50 and you had that same type of opportunity, you was missing out on those selling opportunities. Now you can start buying in. You have a lot of different strategies. My thing is just make sure you don't get 100% caught if it do go into a full-blown bear market, because we don't know. We don't know. So let's look at the dates, the last FOMC meeting, and let's look at everything and see exactly what happened. So the last meeting was December 14th. Let's look at the market. First we'll do the Dow on December 14th. December 14th. Right here. So what happened is right after the meeting, crashed down. So 14th to the 20th went down hard and quick, but recovered. Not too bad. Let's look at Bitcoin on December 14th. Same thing, small crash, went down, and then we went up. So usually on that day of the FOMC meeting, it's either something going to go up or go down. And analysts Could be wrong. I hope they're wrong. Let me know what's your thoughts in the comments. Just want you guys to be safe, be prepared for the worst, but be ready for the best, because this rally we going on in this year really don't make any sense. It don't. I believe Bitcoin is up like 37% right now. That's the highest it's been in January since 2013. But in 2013, the next month went up 100-something%. Like it was a crazy rally. So we shall see, but we don't have enough good news to believe in all the hype. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe button. Talk to y'all soon.